You know you have a fantastic idea for a website, but how can you make it happen? Do not be alarmed, my fellow digital utopian. Today, we're delving into the intricacies behind domain and hosting purchases, simplifying the procedure. Hi there, aspiring webmasters. Are you prepared to start creating your virtual empire? Let's get started and make your idea a reality. Selecting the ideal domain is the first step. Selecting a domain name that accurately represents your brand identity and is memorable is essential, as it serves as your online address. Go to your preferred domain registrar. GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Google Domains are a few common options. Enter the domain name you want to use and check if it is accessible. Expert advice: make it brief, concise, and simple to spell. Step 2. Choosing the appropriate hosting package. Renting space on the internet to store the files for your website and provide global access is what hosting is all about. Examine the offerings of several hosting companies and contrast their plans. Think about things like bandwidth, storage capacity, security features, and customer service. There is a hosting plan suitable for any skill level, from novice to expert. Step 3. Getting the purchase done. It's time to complete the transaction and make it official after you've selected the ideal domain and hosting package. Proceed to checkout after verifying your order details and entering your payment information. Look into your options and select the hosting company that best suits your needs. Some hosts may provide extra services like website builders or SL certificates. Step 4. Set up your hosting and domain. It's time to make the final connections and launch your website now that you have a domain and hosting setup. To connect your domain to your hosting account, adhere to the setup directions given by your hosting company. This normally entails changing the DNS settings for your domain, but don't worry, most hosting companies provide detailed instructions to help you through the process. Folks, there you have it. It doesn't have to be difficult to purchase a domain and hosting. In little time at all, you can launch your own website with the correct help and a dash of tech skill. Until then, happy creating websites. Are you prepared to fulfill your website ambitions? For more professional advice and tutorials, subscribe now.